Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV. So the new PROTON X50 will be launching really soon here in Malaysia, and I had the pleasure of having my first hands-on experience with the car. And while the overall design for the exterior and the interior of the car is amazing, as a tech reviewer, I was eager to know about the car's features from a technological point of view, so let's check it out. So the first cool new feature is the updated GUI version 19 operating system. Now in a nutshell, it is now equipped with the new chipset and most importantly, a brand new user interface for the infotainment head unit. And what's also cool is the QD Link mirroring feature, where you can directly mirror your smartphone to the car, where all the apps on your phone will appear on the car's interface, where I managed to test out apps like YouTube and Waze, where it had a great full screen experience and is compatible not only with Android devices but also for iOS devices as well. As for the next feature that I found very interesting indeed is the PROTON Link app. So with the app, you can view the status of your door, if it's unlocked or locked, the fuel range and the data usage of the car. In addition to that, you can even start your car remotely through the app and even turn on the aircon as well, and this could be done anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. As for the third technological feature that I found quite amazing is the voice command feature. So being a person who has many smart home speakers, one thing that I don't really like is how specific that I have to be in performing commands. For example, if I want to turn on the aircon in my studio, I will have to say, turn on studio room AC, instead of saying, I'm hot. And with PROTON's voice command feature, I can do advanced commands like I want to see the stars, where it will open the car's roof instead of only doing direct commands to open up the car's roof. And during my very short time with the car, I've managed to even say commands like I'm hungry to show me the nearby food places, and also if I need an umbrella tomorrow, where the AI algorithm knows that what I meant to know is how will the weather be like tomorrow as well. So that, my friends, is smart voice assistant in a whole new level. And yes, I'm eager to test out more on these cool features when I get to take the PROTON X50 for a more in-depth technological review. And speaking of which, do let me know what you would like to know about the tech side of things on the PROTON X50 at the comment section below. And once I get the car for a more in-depth experience in my next video, will be based on that. Now, speaking of an experience, I have some great news as PROTON has reached out to me to give 5 of y'all a money can't buy experience with a PROTON X50, such as getting an invitation to the pre-launch exclusive test drive, the exclusive city preview, going for the official launch, and also attending other exclusive roadshows as well. And yes, I will be there too, so we can hang out and talk tech. And for more information on that, you can check the link at the description below, or you can head on to my profile link if you're watching this video on Instagram. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.